Okay, it's midnight. We have to go. Okay. Ding dong. It's the doorbell. It's the doorbell. But it's 12:21. Who would come at this time? I don't know. We better go and see. It's no one. Oh well. Let's go back to bed. Okay, you ready? Let's ring the doorbell again. Yeah. Ding dong. The doorbell again. Come on, let's go see. No one again. That's strange. Yeah. I wonder what could be ringing the doorbell. Let's have a look on the side of the house. Maybe it was a possum. Yeah. Quick, quick, quick. Nothing on the side of the house. Okay. That's quite strange. I can hear something in the roof. We better go check then. Quick, quick, quick. They're coming. No, nothing. I'm pretty sure it's a possum. Me too. Maybe if we put some chocolate cake outside, then the possum will ring the doorbell and then eat the chocolate cake and we'll see it. Yeah, that's a great idea. Okay. Chocolate cake, put it outside. Okay, let's go to sleep now. No, let's not go to sleep. We can't fall asleep because we want to see the possum ring the doorbell. Yeah, exactly. When it rings the doorbell, not ring the doorbell. Okay, are you ready to go and ring the doorbell again? Yes. Oh, there's chocolate cake. Let's eat it. Ding dong. The doorbell, quick. It's probably the possum eating the chocolate cake. Huh? The possums and no one's there. And there's no more chocolate cake. That is strange. Come on. Let's see if we could catch it. If one of us can go on the roof and one of us can go on the side of the house. Yeah. Okay. I'm on the roof. You on the side of the house. Okay. What's this? There's nothing on the side of the house. There's nothing in the roof. Let's go back inside and go to bed. But what if there's something wrong with our doorbell? You could be right. Let's call someone to come and fix it. Okay. Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Hello. Our doorbell keeps ringing every night, and we can't see anything at the door or around. We even tried to catch it, but we couldn't. We thought maybe it's a possum, but we can't see anything, no matter what we do. So maybe there's something wrong with our doorbell. Okay. I'll come and see if there's anything wrong with it. Okay, bye. Okay, now all we have to do is wait. We have to go in the roof. The person who comes might see us. I better go see if there's anything wrong with their doorbell. Ding dong! It's the doorbell again. It might be the possum. No, it's the person who came to see if there's anything wrong with our doorbell. Oh yeah. Hello. Hello. Okay. So. What's happening is our doorbell has been ringing tonight, and it won't stop, and we can't see anything. We can hear stuff on the roof. We can't find anything no matter what we do. Okay, I'll just see. Ding dong. There's nothing wrong with your doorbell. It's perfectly fine. Okay. Well, I guess I better get going. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh, well, there's nothing wrong with our doorbell. Yeah. There's something on our roof. Quick. Okay. No. There's nothing. Let's just go to bed. Okay. Let's go back home and we can come back tomorrow night at midnight. Okay, it's morning. Let's have breakfast. Now let's watch some TV. Balcony, water the plant. It's nighttime now. Let's go to sleep. I've set an alarm for 12 o'clock this time, so we don't have to stay awake. Okay. Ring, 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 ring. It's the alarm. Come on. It's 12 o'clock a.m. at midnight. Okay. Ding dong. The doorbell again. Oh, I don't think it's anyone. No one. Again. What if you have to stay on the roof and I have to stay on the side, and I'll stay inside and you'll stay outside, so the possum will find the chocolate cake and then you'll be outside to see it. Okay, the chocolate cake outside. Okay, stay outside. But be very still so the possum doesn't run away from you. Okay, and I'll keep watch. Yeah, and I'll go in the roof so the possum can't go in the roof. There. I think I better check the side of the house now. Quick, through the window, they're coming. No. That's a bit strange. There's nothing. Ready? Get the chocolate cake. Going home. Okay, quick, back inside. Where's here? No, I can't see anything. But the chocolate cake is gone. Nothing's coming in the roof. Okay, let's go inside. Through the window again. Alright. Okay. Okay. Ready now? Ding dong. Again. Quick, let's hurry. There's nothing. What about on the side of the house? No, that's not the side of the house. This is. No, nothing on the side of the house. Wait, there's something in the roof. Quick, go down. They're coming any minute. No. Okay. Okay, let's go back home now.